Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and for this video, I am going to tour you. I am going to bring you in one of the unit of the suites at Gorordo. It's one bedroom. It's the view of this unit is mountain. It's west part of Cebu, and this is developed by the Worldwide Central Properties. This is located alongside the Gorordo Avenue and the Archbishop Reyes Avenue. So this is outside the Cebu Business Park, but it's stone thrown away from the Cebu Business Park. So as you notice, this is not the unit, and this is also not the model unit, but this is the atrium. It's used by everyone, by the renters and the unit owners. Atrium is part one of the amenities of this building. So the building, this is a project, a mixed project of the Worldwide Central. The Somerset Hotel, the brand of Ascot, is also housing here, so, Ascot Limited. So we have this hotel and we have this residential in this building, and this is one of the luxury, I can consider luxury project or condo here in Cebu, because this has been won an award for that category. And let's go to the unit. Kita kong dagway. I want you to emphasize, no? I want to give you sa hallway. Okay, this is really wide and this is really well lit hallway, and I think the noise can reduced. Well lit hallway and also wide, and one of the units here, you can check. This is a smart key, smart door lock. So it's combination of chuchu. Let's go to the unit. And one bedroom within. The idea of this unit has been developed or has been brought into life. Let's go inside. The idea of this den part has been brought after, I think, during the pandemic, the idea. Because during pandemic, most of the people transitioned their work into work from home. That's why the developer think that what if we will put a little space for the unit. This is a din unit, this one. So it just only like a small part that developer they decided to do, because you can turn that unit, that space into something very useful. Yeah, maybe you can turn that into home office, and maybe you can turn that into gym or library or study area. Or if you have kids, maybe you can put your kids there and then laugh. Kidding. And we have, in this unit, we have one toilet and bathroom, which is this one. And I want to tell you the advantage of this one bedroom den unit, because out of all the units here in the Suites Gorordo, one bedroom within is the only special unit with balcony. Because if you're looking for balcony, I want to go first here. Later we will just explain that area, which is very basic. But I want to tour you with this balcony. So this is just the special unit of the Suites Gorordo with balcony. Come. And this is your view. The west part, the southwest part of Cebu. We can see from here the Bahak ng mountain. The very issue. The Bahak ang mountain sa Cebu, tura dito ay. And this is going to IT Park, and we are very close here to the University of the Philippines, Cebu. And also we are all close going to the Mango Avenue, going there. And this is your view. And this is the special unit, because these are the only cats here with balcony. It's very small, but it's still useful, especially at night. And this is our bedroom area. It's huge. Huge, huge. For reference, I want to stretch out the arms so that you can see how huge. And from here, one, kakabot lang, naglabas lang ulo. At the unit is high ceiling, and we use engineered wood with the flooring, and we also use double glazed glass. Double glazed glass. This one, it's double glazed. You know, I can hear the noise of the car outside, but if this one is closed, we can barely hear them at all. So let's go to your dining and living area. This is your kitchen, and this is your living area. Do not mind this one because actually this unit has been sold already. So, but you don't have to worry because all of the units, one bedroom with den, these are all the same cap. So, for the unit owner, thank you for letting us in temporary lang for the video purposes. And this will be your living area because pati man sa siguro no, you're eating there natagawan sila. But I really like the cut because the cut is really irregular. It's irregular in shape. However, the developer really made use of the cut of the unit. So it's not every area of the unit is very used for from your toilet and bathroom to your bedroom to your kitchen, dining area, and den, and of course your living area. So I really want to bring you to our amenities here because we have this lap pool. It's located in the 8th floor. Unfortunately, we cannot go there now because it's not open. There are many works there, and we also have the 31st floor Sky Garden. So if you are looking for a condo here in Cebu with Sky Garden, because not all of the condo building here in Cebu with Sky Garden. So that's one of the nice offering of the Suites at Barodo to you. The Sky Garden because it's open for residents and you can go there and maybe you want to grill or you want to, who knows, diba? Maybe it's your birthday and you want to grill there. It's luxury feel, grilling above the sky. Because we have grilling station, it's not joke. We have grilling station there, and I think the gym is also located in the 31st floor. And it's safe, it's safe because if you see the building layout of this, the Suite of Barodo, there is a very tall glass, so it's safe. You can see the whole Cebu, but you don't have to worry to go to the glass. So it's really safe. So I cannot tour you in that area because it's closed, and maybe I can only show you the lobby, the residential lobby of the Suite of Barodo. So this is me again, Mark. It's not goodbye yet because I'm going to the lobby and I will put on this video. So after that, I'm going to say goodbye. But I encourage you to buy a unit here because the potential of the building, the quality of the building, the quality of the foundation. Because we are very, nowadays we are very particular with the earthquake and landslide flooding in Cebu, and the Archbishop Reyes and the what do you call this, the Gordo Avenue is not really prone to land floods. So you are very safe here, and everything that you need is very close with this area. The hospital, the commercials, the banks, the church, maybe the church, and the schools, because we are very close to the schools here, and of course, malls. Hello, Cebu Business Park, Ayala. Okay, let's go to the lobby of this residential. Thank you. Finally, we are now at the residential lobby of this Gordo. We have the lobby of the Somerset. It's located on the east part of this building, and this is the west part of the building. And you have that very nice chandelier, kahoy-kahoy ba. And I would like to tell you this is made by Kenneth. So I want to sit down on Kenneth Cobon masterpiece. Wow! Tingnan na kasop si Kenneth. And we have the computer at that room. And we have this concierge area. This is dedicated for the residential lobby. Kaya ang hotel lobby mo is located on the other side. And we cannot go there. And nice ko tayo, aso-aso. And this is it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. This is the parking of the suites at Gordo.
Head north on Archbishop Reyes Avenue toward Acacia Street.
And that's the suites at Gordo.
Turn left onto Cebu Transcentral.